Hello everyone, today we are going to make a very tasty dish. It's the chicken chow fun. So what is the difference between chicken chow mein and chicken chow fun? Do you know? Chicken chow mein is made with egg noodles and chicken chow fun is made with rice noodles. So today when I went to the supermarket I was really excited because today I found what I've been looking for. These are rice noodles and they're flat. So that's what we're going to make the chicken chow fun with. So what we need for this is I've got 400 grams of the chow fun noodles. I've got 600 grams of filleted chicken which I have sliced, and you'll see what I'm going to do with that next. I've got 100 grams of shiitake mushrooms and 100 grams of baby bok choy. And then the other things that we need are a couple of bird's eye chilies that I have sliced up. If you don't like hot chilies, then you can either omit this or you can slice it, remove the seeds and put it in. A teaspoon of ginger grated and a teaspoon of garlic. Right, and then of course we have our usual sauces that I usually use. There's soya sauce, sesame oil, Chiu chili oil and rice vinegar. So next you can see what I do. I'm going to, these are dried noodles, so I'm going to be putting them in hot water for 5 minutes. Then once they're cooked, I'm just going to drain them in cold water, keep them aside so that I can then fry the chicken while the noodles are cooking. So watch me as I do this. So I've got hot water boiling in the pan and I'm going to just drop the 400 grams of noodles into the pan directly. And then I'm just going to let it cook for 5 minutes, and while that's cooking we'll start marinating the chicken. You want to make sure it's immersed in water. So put that on for 5 minutes. Now with the chicken, I'm just going to put in roughly a tablespoon of soya sauce to give it some flavor. And I'm going to put in a tablespoon or so of cornflour. A tablespoon of cornflour. And then we're going to give this a mix. And then what we're going to do is just fry these till they're 3/4 ready. And these shiitake mushrooms are lovely. So we're just going to slice this up. I'm going to keep the stalk of the mushroom as well. See the ends. Put in about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And we're going to fry the chicken in this sesame oil. So, see the size of the chicken? It's about 1 inch by a centimeter. So long, thin slices. I'm just going to drop it all in. And we're just going to stir fry the chicken till it's 3/4. Let's cook through. I'm going to drain these noodles. piece chicken. We're just going to turn so they're cooked on all sides. 3/4 cooked because they're going to be combined with the vegetables and the noodles in a minute. So let's just make sure that happens. Right, let's drain these noodles. Got some oil left in the pan. We're going to put another tablespoon of oil in the pan, and we're going to drop in all the other ingredients. That is the red chilies that, I always say you need to put the red chilies in hot oil because that brings up the heat of the chilies. I like my noodles hot, so 2 bird's eye red chilies going in. Then quickly put the red onions in. Give that a stir. The heat is on high. Doesn't have to get fully brown, just quick onions, then the ginger and the garlic. Let us stir. We're going to follow these with the vegetables. Bok choy and shiitake mushrooms going in. Beautiful time when we are going to put in all the sauces. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. We're going to put in 1 teaspoon of chili oil, and then we're going to put in some rice, 1/2 teaspoon of rice vinegar, give that a stir. This stage is very quick because noodles are all done. So then I'm going to put in the chicken. Finally, we're going to put in the noodles. On very high heat. Just going to combine all this now. It looks delicious. Separate the noodles. This serves about a family of 5. Chicken Chow Fun. And one more ingredient which I haven't put in is the sriracha sauce. 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, a bit more, 1.5. Then we're going to give it a stir and we'll be done. It's a fabulous, tasty, all-in-one meal. There's bok choy, shiitake mushrooms, chicken, Ho Fun, and there you have it. The one last ingredient you want to put in is a bit of pepper, and then we're going to taste it and see that's complete. Serve it up. I say chicken How Fun, but it's chicken Chow Fun, and it looks delicious, if you can see. I'm going to taste it. So tucking into the noodles, which I've been waiting for forever. Take a bite of the chicken as well, which is beautifully. It is lovely. And the noodles. You've got to try this. Now, I've just put chicken in it. You can make it with beef, you can make it with prawns, you can even make it with fish, whatever meat you have it at home, and if you're equally good. But this is chicken chow fun, and it is the spicy version, which is my version. So do comment below, like, share, and most importantly subscribe. If you've been watching me, it'll be good if you subscribe, and then click on the subscribe button and then the bell icon next to it below, and that way you'll get a notification every time I put out a new recipe, a new video, a new dish. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and remember, click on subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the bell icon to be notified. Also remember, it is free to subscribe. I was speaking to a friend the other day, and he said he didn't realize that it's free to subscribe. He thought it was a paid service. So you got nothing to lose. See you next time. Bye for now.